What's up, guys? I want to talk about a new tool I got here recently. It's a Irwin brand Vise grip automatic wire strippers. Now, I've only had these things for a day, but I literally already liked them so much, and they save you a lot of time. And I think I paid 20 bucks for them at Lowe's. They're pretty smooth. They seem sturdy. The actions and everything, the screws and stuff, seem like it's built to last. Tension spring right there brings it right back. So then it has the grabber right here, and here's the puller part. When you pull it, this grips, this pulls the piece of wire off. So there's an adjuster right here. 1/4 inch is over here, and then 1/2 inch moves this plate to see how much wire you want taken off. I always leave it on the 1/2 inch so you have some wire to play with. But now that is just a perfect strip so quickly, as opposed to using one of these, which, don't get me wrong, these are great wire cutters, but you can use the wrong size. You gotta keep finding the right size, and then once you do find the right size, you gotta pull pretty hard to get the rubber off. And if you go a size smaller, you can lose some of your copper off of there. So I'm really impressed with these. I wasn't sure how well they were gonna work, but they work excellent. Like I said, perfect strip every time. They've got cutters on them as well, just like that. Really hard to illustrate it like this, but I mean, simple. They'll do some pretty big size wire too. Got a thicker piece. This is for like turn signals on trailers and stuff, trailer wiring, and this is a little bit bigger, and it'll even do that just fine, really. You've got your exposed wire. You can thread a wire nut in there or whatever. It'll also cut like this. A little bit tougher, but it's bigger wire. These, you can't even do that with these. I mean, you can if you really wanted to try really hard to get that off. And look, you stretch out some of your wiring. That's not worth anything. Plus, hard to cut. So, yep, that's the Irwin Vise grip automatic wire strippers. Really recommend it to anybody who has to deal with any sort of wiring at all. It's a great tool to have in your toolbox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all.